Hello students, how are you? So I hope the paragraph which I had given you yesterday, that was on the national flag, our Indian flag, you have learnt it. Some of the students have written it nicely with good with highlighted with the Indian flag. So it was amazing. So today we are going to do paragraph writing on the other two topics. Um don't worry about it, it will be very short in size so that you will be able to learn. But in starting I am going to tell you more and more sentences about the particular topic. So quickly revise that a paragraph is a group of sentences organized around a central topic, and the main rule of paragraph is to focus one idea. Means if you are writing a paragraph on particular topic, so you don't have to go on the other topic, you have to stick with that topic only. So here is it. First we'll talk about a visit to a zoo. That what can we write in, like, there are so many sentences which we can write. So here I'm giving you some hints. That a visit to a zoo is a very exciting and interesting experience. So this is a visit that you went somewhere. Okay, a visit to a zoo. So you went to a zoo and you are describing what you have seen over there. Okay, so here it is that I went to a zoo last Saturday with my family and friends, you can mention. Then the name of the zoo is, you can write down zoological park which you are having. It is written some Jijamata Udyan, which was earlier known as this. So you just write down zoological park. Then you don't have to change the paragraph, you just write in continuity. Here there are so many sentences, that's why there are some paragraphs. So we purchase the ticket. First of all, what you will do when you will go to zoo, that you will purchase the ticket. So here it is written in the past tense because it's a visit, the place you have visited already. We purchased the tickets and entered the zoo. The zoo is all shaded by huge green trees. We saw animals like deer, elephants, hippopotamus, crocodiles, pythons, etc. So here you have described that you have purchased the tickets and then you went to then you entered the zoo and you have seen these the trees, and then animals you have seen. You have written over here which animals you have seen there. Then there were some ponds also in the zoo. You have described that there were also ponds there. Swans, ducks and fish were swimming in the ponds, not fishes, it's fish. Then you have described about the about the ducks and fish and ponds. Then you can write, then we saw the lions and tigers ahead. There were many zebras in a separate enclosure. We also saw some penguins in the zoo, which were the main attraction. Of course, when you see penguins, so that attracted a lot. So here you can write like this. Then the zoo had many varieties of birds. Now we talked about animals, then come to birds. That we have seen so many birds like pigeons, parrots, kingfishers, owls, etc. Means and so on. We also saw our national bird, that is peacock, in the zoo, which was a very beautiful experience. That you can mention here that the peacocks were dancing at that time. So in this way you have to write, like whatever you have seen, you just have to write in accordingly. Like first you have talked about animals, then you have talked about ducks and ponds, then peacocks, then birds. So here you have to write. After, at the last, you can write, you can sum up the paragraph by these lines, like after watching all these amazing animals, we had our food. Of course, everyone needs food, so you had your lunch there under the shade of a huge banyan tree in the zoo. Then we enjoyed this day a lot it was really a wonderful experience. If you have noticed that this paragraph has been written in the past tense, there we have used the past form of the verbs because we have visited the place. Now you are writing about my village, a visit to a village. So here you can start up with that last Sunday I went to my village. The name of my village is whatsoever here it is written Vishrampur. So you can write down the name of your village. It is situated near a seashore. It is a paradise of beauty, freshness and peace. The rice fields stretch for miles around. Means you are talking about your village, that you are describing the beauty of your village here. Then numerous fruits and flowers grow here throughout the year. The climate is somewhat humid but pleasant. So you have here we have written in the present tense, and then you have described about your village. And when you are here, you will write in the past present, or you can describe your village in the present even. But when you are about to write that you have visited there, then you will write in past tense. Here it is written in the present tense because in this paragraph here you are describing your village, so that is written in the present tense. Now you can describe here like near about 2000 people live in my village. Farming is the main occupation of many villagers. We are describing here about the village. There is one big lake in the village because of which people do not face problem of water. There is a beautiful temple of Lord Krishna besides the lake. All villagers worship here wholeheartedly. There is one government school in the village for all children. There they study, go to study. Then my village has also a hospital, post office and one bank. So here you have described about your village. Then at last you will sum up with these lines. The people of my village live a very simple life. They are really kind and innocent. They live with unity amongst themselves. And then you can sum up with, I love my village very much and I feel that is the best place to live. So in this I told you that the beauty of the nature, about the village. They are the sentences about the village. But when you are about to write that you have visited that place, the village, then how you will write? I have written here. So this is the paragraph which you have to learn and write. That is, I'm going to read it because it will come in your exam. So you have to learn this paragraph, that a visit to a village. That is, last Sunday I visited my village and I went there by local bus. I was there with my family members. My village is full of trees. We can see nature's pure beauty there. Of course, nature beauty we can see over there. So there was a well in my village. Some women were standing there to fetch water, you can write. Some little children were playing their local games called Gilli Danda or some another game, you can write. Then at last you will write, I enjoyed so much there. So I love my village very much. So this is the paragraph which you have to write and learn. This one, a visit to a village, and the previous one which I have written, that was of green color, a visit to a that is a zoo. So these two paragraphs you have to learn and write. So this was the earlier paragraph, a visit to a zoo. So I have mentioned, I have just I have added both the slides of the paragraph which you have to write and learn. First is this one, a visit to a zoo, and the second one is this one, a visit to a village. So you have to learn only these two paragraphs. The earlier slides which I have shown you, that was just to make you familiar with these topics. So I hope you will write these 2 paragraphs and learn it. And now you are having 3 paragraphs which you have to learn and write for your exam. You have to learn. Thank you.